Hello students, now we will see exercise 4.3 of chapter 4 simple equations for standard 7th. Now in previous video we have seen exercise 4.2 all the questions. In that we have already seen transposing, how to transpose the terms from LHS to RHS by changing the sign. Now this question is same like the previous last question of 4.2. So let us start. Our question number 1 is solve the following equations. Again we have to solve this equation and find out the value of the variable. So first one is 2y plus 5 upon 2 equal to 37 upon 2. Now first of all, for finding this variable y, we need to remove this 5 upon 2, this, and secondly we need to remove this 2. So this part and this part, this both we need to remove, we need to eliminate, then we will get the value of y. Okay, so as we have seen in previous video also, for finding the variable y, whatever is attached with y, the number part, that we need to remove one by one. Okay, so let us start. Here 2y plus 5 by 2 equal to 37 upon 2. This is our question. Now for finding, first of all, whatever is in addition and subtraction, that we will remove first. So we can see that plus 5 upon 2 is given. So this plus 5 upon 2, we will take it to RHS part. Okay, but whenever we take to RHS part, the sign will change. So let us start. Here 2y, don't change the place of 2y, 2y as it is, equal to 37 upon 2 as it is. Now this 5 upon 2 we are taking that side. This is in LHS, this whole part is LHS. So from LHS we are shifting this to RHS. Okay. So one by one we will shift and then we will get the value of variable. So this is positive plus 5 upon 2. So whenever you take positive part, that side, the sign will change. So it will become minus 5 upon 2. So sign change is very important. Whatever is in addition will go that side and it will be in subtraction. If it is in subtraction, then it will go that side and it will be in addition. So we need to change the sign. Okay. So now first step is done. This we have taken that side. Now we will solve it. So 2y equal to, now LCM is same, 2 and 2. These are like fractions. So directly we can subtract 37 minus 5 whole upon 2. So now next step will be 2y equal to 37 minus 5 will give you, this will be 32 upon 2. Okay, 7 minus 5 is 2. So 32 upon 2. Now here cancellation is possible, 32 upon 2. So if it is possible, we can do and we can reduce this. So 2 ones are and 2 ones are 2 and 2 6 are 12. So 2 16s are. So what is left with us? 2y equal to 16. So now our equation is reduced. See, this 5 upon 2 is removed. Now this 2 we will remove for finding variable y. Now this 2, it is in multiplication, 2y. There is no sign, means it is in multiplication. So where it will go? It will go here in division. So it will be 16 upon 2. Now we will cancel it. So 2 ones are and 2 8s are. So y equal to 8. So this is our answer. So y equal to 8. This will be the value of the variable y. Now second question is, this is our second question. 5t plus 28 equal to 10. Now we will start. Again plus 28 we will take that side. So it will become minus 28. So here 5t and this side 10 minus 28. Now we will subtract. So 5t equal to, now we will do 10 minus 28. So we have done addition and subtraction of integers. So it is 10 minus 28. So 28 minus 10 we will do and we will keep the sign of minus. So 8 minus 0 will be 8 and 2 minus 1 will be 1. So 28 minus 10 will be 18. और जो बड़े नंबर की sign है means minus is with 28. So that greater numbers sign will come. So minus 18 we will get. Minus 18. Now one step is done. Now this 5 we have to remove. Again this 5 is in multiplication. So it will go here in division. So this side only t left. And here minus 18 upon 5. Now cancellation is not possible. Okay, and t we got. Now no number is left, and here cancellation is also not possible. So this is our final answer, minus 18 upon 5. So this was second one. Now third one is a upon 5 plus 3 equal to 2. Now whatever is in plus or minus, that we will remove first. So this a upon 5 will be as it is, that we will not change. Now this plus 3 we will take that side, so it will become minus 3. So this side it will be 2 is already there, and minus 3. So 2 minus 3. Now next step it will be a upon 5, and here 2 minus 3 will give you minus 1. Okay, now plus 3 is removed. Now 5. So this 5 is in division. You can see it is given in the denominator. It is in fraction part. So a upon 5. 5 is in division. So what is opposite of division? It is multiplication. So 5 we will take this side, and it will go where? It will go here in multiplication. So it will be minus 1 into 5. So minus 1 into 5 means it will be minus 5. So this will be your answer of third one. Now next question is, now q upon 4 plus 7 equal to 5 is given. Again plus 7 we will shift first. We will start from here. So plus 7, when we will take that side, it will be minus 7. And this q upon 4 will be as it is, same. So q upon 4 equal to this side 5 minus 7. This 7 we have taken that side. Okay, transposing. We are doing transposing. So now it will be q upon 4, and this side 5 minus 7 will give you minus 2. Okay, so this plus 7 is removed. Now one step is done. Now 4 we have to remove. Again 4 is in division, so it will go here in multiplication, and this side only q will be left, and here minus 2 into 4. So minus 2 into 4 will give you minus 8. 4 to the 8 and minus, so minus 8. So this is our answer of fourth sum. Now moving to next. Now E1 is 5 upon 2x equal to minus 10. Here only one term is given. This is only one term. Okay. Now one by one we will remove. First we will remove this 2, then we will remove this 5. So this 2 is in division. So first we will take 2 that side. Okay. It is in division, so it will come this side and it will get multiplied. So 5x equal to minus 10 into 2. So 10 to the is 20. So 5x equal to minus 20. Minus also is there, so minus 20. So 2 is removed. Now 5. So now we will remove this 5. So this 5 is in multiplication. So multiplication part will go in division. So here it will be minus 20 upon 5. Now cancellation is possible. So 5 1s and 5 4s. So x equal to minus 4. So this will be our answer. Now next question is 5 upon 2x equal to 25 upon 4. This is our next question. Now again this is one term. 5 upon 2x, this whole is one term. And this side 25 upon 4 fraction is given. So whatever is given this side, don't worry about that. We just have to think that how we will remove this part. We want variable x. So this side whatever is given, positive, negative number, 0 or fraction, you don't have to see that. Here 5 upon 2x. So first we will remove 2. So again this 2 is in division. So it will come here. Okay, and it will get multiplied. Okay, what is opposite of division? It is multiplication. So when you change the term from LHS to RHS, the sign also will change. So this side only 5x is left, and this side 25 upon 4, and this 2 which was here, that will come here in multiplication. So this will be your first step. Okay, now you can multiply this, or cancellation also is possible, so that also you can do. So 2 1s and 2 2s. Cancellation was possible, so that we have done. Now what is left? 5x, and this side 25 upon 2. This is left. Okay, now next step. 2 is removed. Now we have to remove 5. So this 5 is in multiplication with x. 5x, no sign means multiplication sign. So this is in multiplication. So this 5, where it will go? It will go down here in division. Okay. So x equal to, here only x will be left. Now when you take this 5 here down, in division, here already one number is there. You can see that 2 is already there, and this 5 also we are bringing in division. Here it was in multiplication, this 5 we are bringing here in division, we are bringing here. So between these two number, which sign will be there? So here multiplication sign will be there between these two number. This was in multiplication, so that we have brought over here for division part. Now understood? So x equal to, here cancellation is possible, so 5 ones are and 5 fives are, so 5 upon 2. So this is our variable x. 5 upon 2 is our answer. Understood? This 5 was in multiplication, so it will come here down in division, but here already one number is there 2. So 5 also we are bringing down, and 2 is already there. So between 2 and 5 multiplication sign will come. Okay. Now next question is, this is our next question, 7m plus 19 upon 2 equal to 13. So now we will solve this. So first, this plus 19 upon 2 we will take that side, so it will go there in subtraction. So this side only 7m left, and here 13 minus this we are taking there, so 19 upon 2. Now here 13 is whole number and nothing is given in the denominator, so you will write 1. Okay. Now for subtracting these both, we will have to take out the LCM of these both. Okay, LCM we have to take out. So LCM of 1 and 2 will be 2. Okay, this is very easy. LCM of 1 and 2 will be 2. This you can do orally. So 13 minus 19 is there. Okay, now here 1 is there and here 2 is there. So this fraction we want 2, so we will multiply this part with 2. So 13 into 2. And here 1 was there, so 1 into 2, and here 2 is there. LCM is 2, so that is why both should be 2. Here 2 is already there. Here we want 2, so this fraction we have multiplied by 2. So now our next step will be 7m equal to 13 2s is 26 minus 19 and whole upon 2. Now the LCM is same. Here also 2 ones are 2 and here also 2. So we can write whole upon 2. Now 26 minus 19 we will do. So 7m equal to 26 minus 19. How much? It will be, so it will be 7. So 7 upon 2. Okay. So this we got. Now again this calculation is done. Now 7m. Again this 7 is in multiplication. So this 7 we will take again in division. So this 7 when we will take this side, it will come here in division. So we have to write it. We have to take it here, but here already one number is there, again 2 is already there, and this 7 also we are bringing here. Okay, already one number is there and 7 also we are bringing. So between these two number, which sign will be there? Multiplication. So this 7 will come, it will be here and it will be in multiplication with this number. So ये यहाँ पे आ जाएगा multiply में. So 2 into 7. Now 7 and 7 cancelled. So 7 ones are. So here 1 is left. On the top no number means 1 is left, and in the denominator 2 is left. So this is our value of variable. So m equal to 1 upon 2. So this is G1. Now next is, this is next question, 6z plus 10 equal to minus 2. Now here there is no fraction, it is simple. So this plus 10 we will remove first. So this plus 10 we will take this side, okay, after 2. So it will be minus 10. Okay, this we are shifting that side. LHS में से उसको RHS के साइड लेके जाएंगे. So sign will change. So 6z equal to minus 2 is already there, and this plus 10 will become minus 10. Okay, sign change. Now 6z equal to, what will be this? Minus 2 and minus 10 will be minus 12. Okay. Now this 6 and z, they are in multiplication. So this 6 will go here in division. So minus 12 upon 6. Now 6 ones are and 6 twos are. So cancellation was possible. So we have done. So minus 2 is left. This minus and 2 is left. So z equal to minus 2 is our answer. Now next question is 3l upon 2 equal to 2 upon 3. This is our next question. Now this 3 upon 2 we will remove one by one. First we will remove 2 and then we will remove 3. So this 2 is in division. So it will go here in multiplication. जो भी नीचे दिया है वो ऊपर जाएगा और जो भी ऊपर दिया है आपको वो नीचे जाएगा. This way also you can remember. So 3l equal to 2 upon 3 was there. This 2, first I am removing this 2. So this 2 is in division. So what is opposite of division? It is multiplication. So it will go here in multiplication. Okay. So now 2 2s will be 4. So this side it will be 3L and this side it will be 4 upon 3. Okay. Now we will remove this 3. So 3 and L, they are in multiplication. So this 3 will go where? Here. It will come here. So this side only L is left. Here already 3 is there. 4 upon 3. 1 time 3 is already there. This is fraction 4 upon 3. And this 3 also we are writing over here. Okay, so between these two number, which sign will be there? Multiplication sign. Okay, when already this side number is given in the denominator and you are bringing this term also here, then there will be multiplication sign between that both numbers. So next step will be 4 and 3 3s are 9. So 4 upon 9 is our answer. Now last question is, now this is our last question of question number 1. 2b upon 3 minus 5 equal to 3. Now this minus 5 is given separately. This minus 5 and then here fraction is given. So first we will remove minus 5, then we will remove 3 and then we will remove 2 one by one. So minus 5 we will remove first. So minus 5 first we will take that side. So it will become plus 5. So here 2b upon 3, only this part will be left and that side 3 plus 5. Minus 5, when we will take that side, sign will change. So it will be plus 5. So now next step will be 2b upon 3 and this side 5 plus 3 will give you 8. So one step done, 5 is removed. Now 3 we will remove. So this 3 is in division. It is given in the denominator. So 3 is in division. So this 3 will go here in multiplication. So it will be 2b. Now only 2b is left. This 3 we are taking that side. So it will be 8 into 3. So 2b equal to 8 3s will give you 24. Okay. So done. Now this 2b equal to 24 we got. Now this 2 we will remove. Okay. So this 2 is in multiplication. So it will go this side and we will write it where? In division, means we will write it in the denominator. So here only b and this side 24 upon 2. Now cancellation is possible. 2 1s are. Here also 2 1s are and 2 2s are 4. So b equal to 12. So this is our answer of the last sum. So this was question number 1 of exercise 4.3. Hope you understood.